So, good day everyone. I am Jensen De Cotaran and my report is about commercially important species in the Philippines. So, commercially important species are fish and other aquatic organisms that are widely harvested because they have a high market demand, economic value, and importance to food security and livelihoods, especially for fishers and coastal communities. So before we proceed to our topic, let me introduce the area and location of fishing grounds in the Philippines by major bodies of water. As you can see, the figure 3 area and location of bays in the Philippines, nakapastil po dyan, makita nyo, and the figure 4 are the area and location of channels and passage in the Philippines. Next, the location of the Gulf and the major lakes in the Philippines. Lastly, the area and location of seas and the area and location of straits in the Philippines. Before we proceed, so tandaan nyo yung mga naka-highlight dyan ng mga fishing grounds in the Philippines. So, let's proceed to the zone fishing grounds. As you can see, sa table, meron tayong makita na area, common name of species, and scientific name. So, in the West Philippine Sea, so dito natin matatagpuan o makakuha yung top talaga na makita dyan is skipjack tuna, is yung scientific name is a Casuonus pilamis. Next, yung top naman makakuha natin sa Eastern Philippine waters, same lang, skipjack tuna, sumusunod si yellowfin. In the Luzon Strait naman, top pa rin si skipjack tuna. In yellowfin, yung pangalawa. For the Babuyan Channel, same pa rin, skipjack tuna. And pangalawa naman, si yellowfin tuna. Also for sa Manila Bay naman, si Indian Mackerel. Lingayen Gulf, Jacks and Scuds. Lamon Bay, Indian Mackerel, yung top. Tayabas Bay is sardines. Right. Sumusunod dito yung anchovies, mackerel, redfin, bream, and sa Albay Gulf naman is sardines naman. Same lang naman sila. And abot sa Sorsogon Bay. So let's proceed to Visan Fishing Grounds. Seas, Bays, Gulf. Seas, Visayan Sea, Camotes Sea, Sibuyan Sea, Bol Sea, Guimaras Strait, Tanyo Strait. Bays or Mock Bay, Carigara Bay, Maquida Bay, San Pedro Bay, Panay Gulf. Pasok naman dito, sometimes group with bays, si Panay Gulf. So, makita natin yan sa mapa. Hindi ko na highlight dyan yung mga kung saan yung mga area ng mga base, seas, and Gulf. But, mag-base lang tayo sa mga naunang slide. Doon lang natin i-base yung areas na dapat i-highlight dyan na hindi nailagay. So, Visayan Fishing Ground, yung common species dito na makikita natin is yung Bale Sardinella. Si Bale Sardinella naman is top yung Zamboanga City, Region 9. But makikita din naman natin sila sa Visayan Sea. Si Sardinella Valley or Tuloy. Sumusunod naman si Round Scad, Bigay Tuna, Bigay Scad, Indian Mackerel at Chubis. Kamotisi naman, Sardines, din yung nauna. Same lang naman yung sa Visayan Sea. Sibuyan Sea, Sardines naman, and Scuds. So on and so forth. Yes, Guimaras Strait, sardines, scuds, anchovies, mackerel, fin, and so on and so forth, San Pedro Bay, and Leyte Gulf, Panay Gulf. Mindanao fishing grounds. Let's proceed to Seas Base Gulf. As you can see in the map, hindi naman naka-highlight but based lang doon sa mga naunang slides is um, yung fish na nandito makita natin is yung sa Celebes Sea, skipjack tuna, yellowfin tuna, bigay tuna, balisya din nila, round scad at chubis, sa Sulusi naman, sardines, buhol, bolsi, o Mindanao Sea. Philippine Sea is Mindanao, yellowfin tuna, but Butuan Bay. So on and so forth, and yan. That's all. Thank you for listening to my topic, commercially important species.